Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Ernest Review. This is Ernest here, and today I'm reviewing a new launch that has gone live yesterday, the 26th of July at 9 a.m. EST. Monthly Income 2.0. This monthly income system is ideal for beginners and for new affiliates with no funds or minimum funds. When you start on online business, you do some work. Maybe you make few sales, but then if you don't do exactly the same thing the following day and every day, then the money simply stops coming in. To invest in a new business, so much for free time and the so-called laptop lifestyle. But there is a way that you can have both time and money on your side by working smarter and not harder. Welcome to the Monthly Income System 2.0. With this system, you do the same amount of work as normal initially. However, instead of being paid just once, you get paid over and over again every month like clockwork, even if you never do any work again. Residual monthly income really is the key to long-term success and security in this industry. And it is a surefire way to being able to fire your boss. So jump on board today and start working smarter and not harder. In a second, I will take you to the sales video. I will also show you the bonuses you will be getting from me if you decide to buy Monthly Income System 2.0 from my link below this video. And I'll also show you the bonuses that you will be getting from the vendor.
Do you feel as if you're on a never-ending treadmill? You know what I mean. You work hard setting up promotions and putting out offers. Then, if you're lucky, perhaps you even make a few sales. But the next day, you're back to square one. You need to set up more offers, sort out more squeeze pages or bonuses, just so you can keep earning. The second you stop working, the money also stops, because no promotions equals no sales equals no cash for you. I bet you thought it wasn't supposed to be like this. Whatever happened to the laptop lifestyle? Whatever happened to holidays and fast cars and sitting around enjoying yourself? If all you're doing is swapping a 9-to-5 office job with a 9-to-5 work from home job, is it even worth it at all? Well, that's because you haven't discovered the power of residual monthly income. The reasons those gurus and super affiliates can lounge on the beach is because they've discovered a way to work smarter, not harder. That is the power of the monthly income system. You see, instead of having to promote offers day after day after day, seemingly without end, with the monthly income system, you do the work once and then get paid every month, over and over again. Here's how it works. Step 1. You pick up a copy of Monthly Income System before the price goes up. Step 2. Enter your affiliate link on the Done For You squeeze pages that we provide you with. And Step 3. Set up your promos and get paid each and every month like clockwork. Make a sale today and still be getting paid from it 5 years from now. Now, does that sound more like the laptop lifestyle? Because with the monthly income system, we are offering the one commodity that no online marketer can afford to be without: traffic. And once we've given it to them, you can be sure that they will never want it taken away, as without it, their business could die. So they'll happily keep paying you month after month because their own income depends on it. When you unlock the power of the monthly income system, you will enjoy, perhaps for the first time, the liberating power of truly passive income. Sit back and relax as the payments roll into your account every single month without you having to lift a finger. Or perhaps you will decide to run a promo every once in a while, just to push your monthly income figure up even higher. But it's up to you. Perhaps you'd just rather order another cocktail and watch the waves come in, while your mobile continues to keep going ping. That's the power of the monthly income system. Right now you have two choices. Carry on as before and stay on that treadmill, having to make new sales every single day to keep your head above water, or sit back and relax as the monthly income system brings you in sales on autopilot each and every month. Whichever you choose, good luck. But if it's the second one, and I hope that it is, then I'll see you inside the members area very soon.
So guys, you have seen the brief video on monthly income system. In brief, what is monthly income system all about? Transform your results with the never seen before monthly income system 2.0. Get 5 monthly income streams that deliver results like clockwork month after month. Do the work once, get paid over and over again. You go with the first, master it, and then you go for the other 4. Set up once, earn every month. All programs are free to join and promote. Build your list on autopilot. This is very important because as a beginner, you don't have enough people on your email list. So this will be very useful for you. Build multiple repeat monthly commissions. Totally newbie friendly, easy to follow video tutorials. Set it up in minutes and done for you, squeeze pages provided. The prices for the front end monthly income system is just $12.95 and you get a discount and you only have to pay $9.95. This itself will give you the complete idea about what monthly income system is all about. Later on, you can go for the OTO 1, which is a pro version, and you can get it as low as $17 in case you go on for it immediately. Otherwise, you may have to pay $37. OTO 2 is an executive club. You can get it as low as $17. OTO 3 is a reseller rights. You can get it at $27. Done for you campaign is $47, and OTO 5 total traffic fix will cost you $97. So these are the upsells and downsells you'll be getting from monthly income system 2.0. You also get the 30-day money back guarantee. In case you feel that this product is not working out for you, you can get the money back. So now let's get into my bonuses. Now these bonuses are exclusively done by my mentor Jono Armstrong, and you get these bonus tutorials. The high ticket mastery. Bonus number 2, you get the content curation hack. Bonus number 3, get Gemini. Bonus number 4, Fugo breakout. These are the bonuses you'll be getting from me once you click the link below and buy it from me, and you also get all the special bonuses from monthly income system. For whom is the monthly income system for? Affiliate marketers, stay-at-home moms, e-commerce stores owners, local business owners, clickbank affiliates, CPA marketers. As I told you before, it is good for beginners. If you have a very low fund, you can start off with monthly income system. And you can check out the bonuses, vendor bonuses, exclusive Facebook group, bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, massive product bundle. Get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. Bonus number 3, a reseller rights to 20 of Dawood's previous products. you'll be getting. So that's it, guys. Did you find this review helpful? I hope it did. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Ernest Reviews. Please share my videos, and I'll be happy if you can comment or just put a like. See you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.